Ciao ragazzi, welcome back su Remotor. New video on my Fiat 126. Today we will find out what we have it. Enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. Link is in the description below.
Aldane.
The undercarriage of this car is a big surprise. It looks like there is no rust at all and is almost brand new. Inside the car there is a lots of dirt. The carpet needs to be cleaned, and once removed the carpet we found a bit of superficial rust. But now enjoy the cleaning. Rust removed and converted with chemical in rust remover, and now we'll wait. We give a lick of paint and we'll be ready to install the carpet once dried. This is the first wash after more than 15 years in storage. And we polished the car by hands with no tools. There is a bit of rust, but I think for a 50-year-old car it's very good result. After a year we installed the seat belt, which they were not in the car. These are original old stock. And carpet in, everything back in, seats as well, nice and clean. Thank you for watching. I like you like the video. Please share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Ciao for now.